Hi guys, had a HPI delivery today and look what came in. This is the new Vorza Truggy Flux. What we're going to do now is we're going to cut open the box and see what you get inside. Okay, so inside here you will obviously get your transmitter and your car. So just take it out of the box. So here it is. Okay, so let's have a look for you. So straight away out of the box, let's have a look at the body shell. So we have quite a modern tribal design body shell. They've gone for a modern sort of half matte finish on it. So the ground black is matte, the red is obviously gloss. So quite a nice tribal body shell. We'll just put that over there. And then inside we have aluminium chassis, ELH 6S ESC, ELHM 2200 kV 6S capable motor. We have the SS30 high torque metal geared steering servo. We have Velcro battery straps so as you can adjust it to fit most batteries in there. We also have screw adjustable battery tray so you can adjust the length of the battery tray slightly to make most modern batteries fit. This is the standard Vorza version, so we do have plastic shock bodies, plastic suspension mounts. They do a Vorza S version which comes with aluminium shock bodies, aluminium suspension mounts, and we're still waiting for that to arrive in the UK at the moment. This is, as I say, the standard version, so you've got plastic screw adjustable shock absorbers. Okay, so you can adjust the preload on them with your thumb screw here. What we normally advise to do is when it comes in the box it's sat quite low to keep the packaging small. When you get it out of the box, first thing I would advise doing is just lifting the car so the wishbones are horizontal level, and then adjusting your screw set, your thumb screws on your shock absorbers to hold them there, and then that will give you your true ride height for your car. So very capable for off-road bashing and racing. We have 17mm hex truggy wheels. So again, wide variety of wheel options if you ever wanted to update them or improve them. You know, they sell lots of different wheels and tyres with 17mm hexes, so they will bolt straight onto this car. We also have the new HPI TF50 handset. So this is a 3-channel handset. Obviously you're only using 2 channels with this car, but there is an optional 3rd channel available. Underneath the cover here we also have steering dual rate, we have steering trim, throttle trim, but you also have adjustable endpoints. So for those people who aren't as experienced at RC or want to let their kids have a go, you can always turn the throttle down so you can make the car a little bit slower for you. All of that is adjustable from the handset. This particular car, now it's been opened, is going to be on our website for sale at a slightly discounted price. So the price for a brand spanking new one, still in a sealed box, is £579. This one is on the website at a little bit of a discount for you, so you can hit the website and go and buy it today.